Once upon a time, in a forest that had not yet learned the word no, there lived a bear who spent his days looking for the sun's hidden smile. You see, the sun shone in the sky every day, but the bear never saw it as smiling at him. The most the sun did was peek out from behind the clouds to say hello. The bear wanted more. He wanted to see the sun beam down on him with a big, toothy grin. Every morning the bear would get up, give a big yawn and stretch, and start his search. He'd ask the birds if they'd seen the sun's smile, but they were always just flying off to their berry patches and didn't have time to chat. He'd ask the squirrels, but they were always scampering up trees, burying acorns, and getting into mischief. The only creature who ever stopped to answer the bear was the wise old turtle. But even the wise old turtle had to keep moving to stay warm. One day the bear came across a clearing, and in the middle of it stood a magnificent oak tree. Its branches reached up to the sky like welcoming arms. The bear thought to himself, surely the sun must be smiling down on such a grand tree. So he sat down at the foot of the oak and waited. But the sun just shone on the leaves and made them sparkle. Disappointed, the bear decided to try again tomorrow. As the years went by, the bear's fur turned from brown to gray, and his steps became slower. Still, he never gave up hope of seeing the sun smile. Then one day, as he was lumbering through the forest, he heard a giggle. It was the sweetest sound he'd ever heard. So the bear stopped to listen, then slowly got up and followed the sound. He walked past the babbling brook, over the moss-covered stones, and into a little hollow. There, nestled among the wildflowers, was a family of rabbits. The baby rabbit, a little girl, was sitting up on a rock, and the others were gathered around her, listening as she told a story. The bear couldn't help but smile. He realized that the sun's smile wasn't hidden in the sky after all. It was hidden in the joy of the little things, the sparkle of the leaves, the babble of the brook, the scent of the wildflowers, and the happy squeals of rabbits playing by the light of the sun. And from that day on, the bear looked for the sun's smile in all the little things and found it everywhere.